All right, this is a video that's going to show you how to enter a system into the calculator so you can find your solution to a system of equations. You can't see the PowerPoint, but I wrote it down right here for you. That's the system we have. Notice your x variables, notice your y variables, and then that's your constants. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go to put them in the calculator. That's second, and then we're going to matrix, which is going to be above the x1 sign. Then go over to edit, press enter, and then now we want to set the dimensions. These are 2 by 3, so we're going to change that to a 2. Go over, change that to a 3, press enter. Now we can put in the coefficients. Since this is -2, we're going to put -2. Then the coefficient for y is 1. The constant is 5. And then do the same thing for the bottom row. That's 3 and then 3. All right, so there we have -2x plus 1y equals 5. 2x plus 3y equals 3. All right, so now I have my coefficients in. I pretty much have my system into the calculator. The next step is to press second matrix again. And now we're going to go to the math that we want to do. And you're going to press up till you get to R reference. Okay. And we want this to be on the home screen. So you see how it's down here at the bottom? That's not what you want. So make sure you clear out of that. Okay. Make sure you clear out of that. And then you're going to go over to, let's try it again. Reference. And it was in the A option. So you're going to press A and then close the parenthesis. Now your calculator should say R reference matrix A, press enter, and there you have your answer. When x is 1, when you have one value of x, no y's, the answer is -1 5/10. When you have no x's and 1 y, your answer is 2. So this pretty much tells you that x is equal to -1.5, y is equal to 2. All right, let's try one more. I'm gonna clear my RAM just to not confuse anybody. Clear my RAM. And I already got another one ready. Oh, upside down. I already got another one ready to go. All right, so we're going to go to second matrix, go over to edit, and we're going to enter it in A. Again, it's a 2 by 3. All right, then put your numbers in. 8 is for X. Now you see it says -4y. That's going to be a -4 in the matrix. Okay, and 16 is negative, so -16. Go down to the bottom row. I got 3, 15, and my 6 is negative, so -6. Now here you want to make sure you quit, or it's going to end up down here like it did on the first video. Make sure you quit, second mode. Okay, now I'll go back to the matrix. This time we're going to go over to math, and we're going to go up till we find B, our reference, and we want to reference the first matrix, close it, and press enter. There's your answer. When x is 1, it equals -2. When y is 1, it equals 0. There you have your answer. So now you can solve systems via substitution, via elimination, via calculator. You have all the options you need. All right, I hope this helped.